how to create a .com website in no time. So hey you beautiful people, what is up? This is Subin Says, co-founder of sociallypivot.com, helping people skyrocket their business with the power of internet. So let's jump right onto the topic. Okay, so let's start with a plot. What would be the actual list of things which you will need in order to create a website? To make it simple, let me compare the process of creating a website with the process of building a house. So the two basic things which you will need in order to create a website are a hosting and a domain name. A hosting is simply a storage space where your website files are gonna be stored. It's just like a piece of land which is the basic necessity to build a house. And a domain name is an address to locate your website on the internet, just like your house address. So my recommendation to all of you action takers who are gonna build their very first website after watching this video is that you should get your hosting from hostingers.com because it's cheap, reliable, and I personally use it. So after you click on the link in the description, you will reach on the Hostingers landing page. Now just click on get started. And now you can see that there are three options: single web hosting, premium web hosting, and a business web hosting. If you are just a beginner, you should go for the single web hosting. But if you think that you are gonna host multiple websites, you should go for the premium web hosting. So as I have already purchased the business web hosting, I'm just gonna skip this buying process. So after you buy the hosting and the domain name, the very next step is to connect the domain to the hosting server, which you can easily do by just clicking on add website. And one more thing, if you have bought your website's domain name from some other hosting provider, then also you can easily direct your domain to the Hostingers name server by just changing your domain's name server to the Hostingers name server. So before clicking on add website, let's preview the website which we are gonna build. It's actually my own personal branding website. Now as you can see that currently this website does not exist. Now let's go back and try to add the website to the hosting. So just type in the domain name and whatever password you want and just click on add button. So now we can see that my website has been successfully created. Now let's go back to my website and just try to refresh the page. Okay, so finally we have successfully linked the domain to the hosting. So now let's go back and click on the manage button besides our domain name. And then click on auto installer to install the WordPress plugin to our site. Now fill in the username, password, and the website title, and then click on the install button. So finally WordPress has been successfully installed to our site. Now let's visit to our site once again. So we can see that our website has been created successfully. So in my next video, I'm gonna teach you guys how you can edit this website. So thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, which motivates us to create more videos like this. So till then, stay tuned.